Time to build some heads. Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and get the cylinder heads thrown together. Got my spring locators in. Get those thrown on the heads. I do have to run up to the parts store and get some green Loctite. And after that we'll be putting some cylinder heads together. So do you ever just, you're working on something, it's fighting you, and then you flip it over and do it a different way, and it's 100 times easier, and you wonder, why didn't you think of that? These heads are they're gonna kill me. It's hot. The cylinder number 2 is done. Ryan? It's hot. Yeah. Alright guys, it is now Sunday morning. It was a late night last night. But got the short block or long block done. Cylinder heads on it, got the rocker arms on it, push rods in it. We were up pretty late last night. But it was nice and cool doing it in the evening instead of doing it in the heat of the day. So I just got to set the valve lash, get it off the engine stand. And then I just got to get the car rolled out some, get the engine lift out, and go from there. I just got to wait for my dad to get here and for everyone to wake up because it is still kind of early. Yeah. All right, valve train's all adjusted. Hopefully we'll be making some noise here later. Yeah, this hot. It's only what, 192?
We'd all be fried.
It's in for about the 15th time. It's hot. All right, guys, we got the engine in the car. Been a long process, several months, but it's in there. That's gonna do it for today's video. Y'all have a good evening. Subscribe, like, comment. You all know the drill. Later.